Hello, we're here with Bethan Marlow, who has been a big part of the beach. Do you want to tell us what you've contributed to the beach production?
What I've contributed, I've officially contributed as a writer and creator, and I think unofficially I've contributed as someone that comes up with ideas that is way out of our budget, like a floating pontoon bar.
Right.
Yeah, so I think that's provided some light entertainment.
That sounds good. And quite often the word multi-platform is associated with you as a writer. Tell us what that's all about.
Yeah, that's a funny one. I think of myself as a playwright, so I find it quite strange because I don't think there's a difference between writing for multi-platform and to the theatre, because what you're doing essentially is creating a world within reality. So I think that's what I do, but sometimes it's on the internet and sometimes it's on a stage or a stage of some sort. So
Of sand.
sorry?
A stage.
Or sand,
of
stage
sand.
of sand, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Bethan Marlow.
You're welcome.
See you soon.